G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve and today we're going to be looking at a question that's been sent in by a subscriber asking us whether the ash from cardboard can be used in our garden. Some time ago at iCULTIVATE we were talking about the use of ash in our garden. And we're talking about the way in which ash can be used to add nutrients to the soil and also to manipulate the pH of the soil a little bit. Well, an iCULTIVATE subscriber has asked, can I use cardboard ash in my garden? The quick answer to this is, depends on why. Depends on what it is you want to achieve. And simply put, if you want to sweeten the soil a little bit, well then the ash from the cardboard can be used. The reason for this is because cardboard, and paper for that matter, comes from the heartwood of the tree. Now, you'll remember from my previous video that we talked about the part of the tree that contains the nutrients is in fact the outer section where all the sap is. And it's not that section that cardboard or paper comes from. So therefore, if you wish to manipulate the pH of your soil a little bit, cardboard ash is fine. However, if your purpose is to add nutrients to the soil, well then cardboard ash, leave it alone. Now I hope you found this video interesting. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, or if you've got anything further you can add, well then go down to the comments and contribute to the conversation. And lastly, don't forget to go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.